Oh, always look for things on the way down, wherever I go. Oh, what's in this thing? Oh. Some kind of very smooth. Let's see the. Sometimes I will check up and below and above to see if I could find the source of this thing. Normally I don't, but oftentimes I find more fragments the higher I go up. But I'm just getting too tired right now to look. What is this thing? No. Okay. Now the easy ride home. Since I paddled upstream on the way here, I paddle downstream on the way back. Much easier. Just about going down behind the clouds, behind the hills. Camp. Well, it's before 8 in the morning, getting an early start. I've moved areas. Not that it makes much difference. Well, I guess it could, because this is more of a remote area away from the bridge and the campground. So maybe there's more or a less searched area. There's always a cost-benefit analysis that you have to take. Do we go up here and waste the energy for nothing, or continue along an easier path? But let it be said, I've taken the path less trod. The path less trod. I'll get on the ridge up there and walk along. Oh, there's some more shells and from the clam bed. Just breaking apart. This is why I don't understand people. This is where the myth of the flood came in. Old timers were walking along, and actually myth of the flood, of giant creatures, dragons. They just didn't realize that the earth is as old as it is, so they come up with a flood description. To explain why all sorts of shells would be way up in the mountains and hills. This one guy, I remember, talked about how the Ice Age could have. I don't even think he went back as far as the Ice Age. He just picked the flood as an example. How it could carve out this in just a matter of 100 years. I don't know. I think people need to be a bit more open in their understanding of the earth and the age of it, and that 98% of what once was is no longer on earth.